Tesla driver from 2018 crash was eating. Had autopilot on. U.S. agency US government investigative agency NTSB's preliminary report on the 2018 crash involving the 2014 Tesla Model S and a fire truck claimed that the car was in autopilot mode. Autopilot was engaged continuously for the final 13 minutes 48 seconds before the collision. NTSB said, "I was having a coffee and a bagel," the car's driver also told the NTSB. Hackers break-fixed Tesla car bug that let them get in without key. Security hackers from Belgian University KU Leuven revealed that a vulnerability found by them last year, which was fixed by Tesla, could still be exploited. They had broken the 40-bit encryption of a Tesla Model S key fob to get inside the car without using the original key. They now broke the updated 80-bit encryption by cracking two 40-bit keys. Japan's Toyota Maruti parent Suzuki to buy stakes in each other. Japanese automakers Toyota Motor Corporation and Suzuki Motor Corporation, the parent of Maruti Suzuki, will take small equity stakes in each other, strengthening their existing alliance to develop newer technologies. Japan's biggest automaker will acquire 4.94% of Suzuki shares for about $907 million, while Suzuki will get a 0.2% stake valued at about $454 million in Toyota. Kia Motors to start exports through Chennai port from September 20. South Korean carmaker Kia Motors will begin exporting vehicles manufactured at its new Anantapur plant via the Chennai Port Trust. The first lot, which is expected to be shipped on September 20, will contain 500 vehicles and the volume will be increased gradually. Kia Motors India COO Jong-Soo Kim said the company manufactured 6,000 cars in the first month.